Welcome, everyone. Let's dive right into this friendly, totally jargon-free explainer. If you've been watching the news lately, you've probably heard the term artificial intelligence, or AI, tossed around quite a bit. And honestly, it can sound a little intimidating, right? Kind of like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But the truth? It's actually entirely different and a whole lot more comforting. Today, we're kicking off part one of an absolutely fantastic 10-part tutorial called Artificial Intelligence for Everyday Life, a friendly guide for older adults. Our focus right now is just on chapter one. We're going to completely clear away all that confusing technical jargon and show you how AI is already safely and quietly working in your life to help you maintain your independence and comfort. All of this excellent material comes to us directly from Virtualization Options LLC. They're a highly respected technology research, education, and advisory organization based right in Colorado. And they have this brilliant mission, making technology accessible and understandable for absolutely everyone. Actually, you'll probably notice throughout this explainer that the text is really big and clear. That's totally on purpose. It follows their strict ADA compliance standards for visual comfort, making sure anyone with visual impairments can easily follow along. Because, learning new tech isn't about memorizing complex computer code. It's just about seeing how a new tool fits into your daily routine. So let's do exactly that. Now, I want to start by dismantling any of that tech anxiety you might be holding on to with a really fun, comforting secret. Did you know you actually used artificial intelligence today? It's true. I mean, most of us just assume AI is this futuristic robot sitting in a secret lab somewhere. But the reality? If you've used a smartphone, watched a modern TV, or even driven a car recently, you are already a highly successful daily user of artificial intelligence. You've already mastered the hardest part, which is just going about your normal day. The AI is literally just running quietly in the background, making things a little bit smoother for you. Let's look at a few super familiar conveniences that hit the nail on the head here. If you've ever sat down in the evening, fired up Netflix, and it magically suggested a show that you ended up absolutely loving, yep, that's AI at work. Or how about when you're typing a text message to your grandchild and your phone automatically fixes a typo before you even hit send? That's autocorrect. And yes, that is also AI. Or maybe you're driving across town and Google Maps suddenly pops up with a new route to avoid a traffic jam you didn't even know existed. That is a brilliant example of artificial intelligence taking in information and actively helping you in real time. It's not taking over the world, it's just making sure you don't get stuck in traffic on a Tuesday afternoon. So, what does this actually mean? Well, the crucial point is this beautifully simple definition. Artificial intelligence is just a computer program that learns from experience and helps you do things. That's it, it's not magic. You see, in the old days, a computer program only did exactly what a human typed into it, step by step. If a programmer didn't write a rule for a specific situation, the computer would literally just freeze and give you an error. But AI? AI is different. It's designed to take in new information, learn from it, and adapt. That way, it can be even more helpful to you the very next time you use it. I actually love to think of AI as a tireless assistant, always ready to help, day or night. Just imagine having a personal helper who never needs a coffee break, never catches a cold, never takes a vacation, and is just sitting by your side 24/7 waiting for you to ask for a hand. Best of all, it doesn't judge you if you ask the exact same question twice, and it never gets frustrated if you need a minute to figure things out. It's simply this highly attentive, deeply patient resource whose whole purpose is to support your daily activities. When you reframe AI from some scary computer program to a helpful, tireless assistant, doesn't the whole concept feel so much warmer and way more approachable? Of course, knowing that it learns is one thing, but naturally, you're probably wondering, so how does AI actually learn? If there isn't some programmer sitting there typing in every single rule, how on earth does the computer get smarter? Well, to figure this out, we really don't need to look at complicated math or confusing computer algorithms. We just need to look at our own lives. We're going to demystify this whole machine learning thing using a completely relatable, everyday analogy that I guarantee you've experienced firsthand. This perfectly illustrates how AI learns, entirely without the jargon. It's exactly like how you learn to cook by watching and practicing. Think back to the very first time you tried to make a pie, or maybe roast a chicken. You didn't just invent the recipe out of thin air, right? First, you studied examples. Maybe you watched your mother cook, or you leafed through a cookbook. You gathered your information. Then you practiced. Your first pie might have been a little burnt, the chicken may be a bit dry, but you learned from that experience. The next time, you adjusted the temperature, tweaked the seasoning. Over time, you got better and better until it just became second nature. Well, AI does the exact same thing. It studies millions of examples, like millions of traffic patterns or TV viewing habits. It practices recognizing those patterns, and then it learns how to perfectly predict what's going to help you the most. Let's look at how this learning translates into real, tangible benefits for you. For instance, you might say, "Hey Alexa, remind me to take my blood pressure pill at 8 a.m. every day." That right there is a highly practical, real-world example of how voice-activated AI can effortlessly support your daily health and routines. You don't have to fiddle with tiny buttons on a digital watch or squint at some confusing instruction manual. You just speak naturally to the smart speaker in your kitchen or living room, exactly like you would to a friend. Because the AI has practiced and learned to understand human speech, it recognizes your command and steps right in as that tireless assistant, making sure you never miss a vital medication. Talk about incredible peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. And this intelligence is also being built directly into the smart devices that might literally be sitting in your living room right now. AI isn't just trapped in your phone or your laptop, it's being added into everyday household objects to make them vastly smarter and, most importantly, far easier to use. Because let's face it, the goal of technology shouldn't be to hand you yet another complicated remote control to figure out. The goal is to make the device intelligent enough that it simply anticipates your needs and does all the heavy lifting for you. Let's walk through a few specific, everyday examples from Chapter 1 that highlight how these smart home tools quietly make life easier and safer. Okay, here are 3 fantastic examples. First up, smart TVs. Instead of endlessly flipping through hundreds of channels trying to find something decent to watch, a smart TV uses AI to actually learn what kinds of mysteries or documentaries you enjoy, and it simply suggests them to you the moment you sit down. Easy. Second, we have smart thermostats, like the Nest system. You don't have to constantly walk over and adjust the dial anymore. The AI learns your daily schedule, when you wake up, when you go to sleep, and it adjusts the temperature automatically. It keeps you perfectly comfortable while actively saving you money on your energy bills. And finally, video doorbells, like the Ring system. Using AI, these little cameras are actually smart enough to know the difference between a passing car, a stray cat, a delivery driver leaving a package, or a person standing on your porch. It only alerts you when it's actually important, which means you don't have to get out of your cozy chair for a false alarm. Now, I think it's incredibly reassuring to remember that AI is not here to complicate your life. It's really just meant to serve as a simple, enriching tool. I want you to think back for a second to when the microwave oven was first introduced to kitchens across the country. Do you remember that? At first, it seemed like wild, almost intimidating space-age technology. People weren't entirely sure if it was safe or if they even really needed it. But very quickly, we all realized it was just a tool. It didn't replace the joy of cooking a grand family holiday dinner, but man, it sure made heating up a cup of tea or a bowl of soup a whole lot easier. AI is exactly the same thing. It is literally just the modern equivalent of the microwave, a helpful little utility designed to give you back your time and make your day-to-day life just a little bit simpler. So, as we wrap up Chapter 1 of this wonderful guide from Virtualization Options, LLC, I want to leave you with a warm, encouraging question to ponder. Which of your daily tasks could a tireless AI assistant help you with tomorrow? Maybe it's setting a gentle reminder to call a friend. Perhaps it's helping you find a fun new recipe for dinner. Or maybe it's just turning down the thermostat without you having to get out of bed. The true beauty of this technology is that it's here to serve you entirely on your terms. I really hope this explainer has shown you that you have absolutely nothing to fear, and honestly, a whole lot of everyday convenience to gain. Keep exploring, stay curious, and we will see you for Chapter 2, where we'll continue this fantastic journey together.